washing cycle is operating at peak efficiency. Batch 42 cleared for packaging.
From field to shelf, the integrity remains intact.
Hydration levels are being recalibrated for the afternoon sun.
Sorting algorithms are now synchronized with the latest harvest metrics. Blades are optimal. No deviation in cut thickness detected.
Another day of precision delivered.
The cycle remains constant, season after season.
"24-hour precision. Nothing gets past the sensors." Inventory confirmed, ready for the dawn rollout.
Quality never sleeps.
Morning checks complete. System is green across the board. Intake flow is steady. Let's maintain this rhythm.
AGV Unit 4, reroute to loading dock B for priority shipment. Temperature is locked at 4 degrees. You are good to go.
Precision in every pack. Our job is done here.
Weather data is syncing. Ground telemetry looks perfect. Washing cycle is at 80% capacity with zero contamination. Rerouting AGV units for immediate retail dispatch.
Quality verified. The chain remains unbroken.
Soil moisture levels are holding steady at optimal parameters. Washing cycle 3 is operating at peak hygiene standards.
Automated guided vehicles are synchronized for the afternoon dispatch.
Quality verified. The product is ready for the consumer.
Morning telemetry looks excellent. The growth curve is exactly on target.
Washing cycle initiated. Water pressure stabilized at nominal levels.
Dispatching units 10 through 15. Cold chain integrity is verified. Quality standards met. The journey from field to shelf is complete.
All systems are green for the morning harvest.
Washing cycle 3 is stabilized. Purity levels are optimal. Initializing AG dispatch for pallet block 7.
Delivery is on schedule. Cold chain maintained.
All agricultural sensors are active. The crop is ready for the day.
Washing cycle is stabilized. Purity levels are optimal.
Station 4 anomaly detected. Rerouting batch C.
Confirm override. Initializing AGV dispatch. Cold chain integrity verified.
From field to shelf, the standard of excellence is maintained.